What's up, everyone? So I'm going to be bringing you a quick unboxing of the new Virgin Red card that I'm going to be adding to my arsenal. So to start off here, here's the envelope that it comes in. It's obviously open because I had to go through and block out all my information, but it comes in a big red envelope, and in there you have a guide to your Mastercard benefits. And here is the actual, I guess, piece of cardboard that it comes in, because it's more of like a card stock feel than a paper feel. On the back, there'd be all your information. I blocked it out. Then you open it up. Inside you have the card right here. Then you have a bunch of graphics and whatnot, your activation QR code. Inside, another note as well. Nothing to see here, but that'd be a lie. There is. It's going to be, oh, go on then. Have 500 Virgin points. There's a hidden code within the app that you can go find and get an additional 500 Virgin points. And then there's a little prompt to actually download the app. Let's take a look at the card itself. Card itself, there it is. Nice red with the Virgin word on the back, sort of a glittery gloss to it. There it is. There's the back. But yeah, there you go. There is the Virgin Red card. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing of my new Virgin Red card. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe for more. I do have more in-depth videos on my channel about other cards that I've gotten, so please make sure to check those out. You guys have a great day. Bye.